Yeah! Get up!
What is up, everybody? It is that one guy here, and I'm coming to you today with something new. Not something new to you or something new to the world, but something new to me, and something that I've never done since I've had a motorcycle, and that is purchase a Bluetooth device for my helmet. There are a few reasons why I went with the Sena 10R, and I won't go too deep into that, but what I will tell you is that I was considering the Sena 20S and the Sena SMH 10R, which is very similar to the 10R, except that this one is a little less low profile. And what this does offer, though, is the same speakers that come with the 20S, which was a big deal to me. I wanted that capability. Also, the 10R, as opposed to the SMH 10R, comes with 4.1 Bluetooth as opposed to 3.0. Also, the 10R, as opposed to the SMH 10R, gives you the opportunity to have an optional remote control so that you're not having to reach up for your helmet to press buttons. And also, being very similar to the 20S, but a little less capable, it still maintains that low profile that the SMH 10R comes with. Also, it's waterproof. Not that I go riding around out in the rain a lot, but having that peace of mind of having a fully waterproof Bluetooth on the outside of my helmet gives me that peace of mind. Also, shout out to Cycle Gear, because I bought this, and for $8 it extended the warranty to 2 years, and instead of going through Sena, I can go through Cycle Gear, and if anything happens to this, they said anything except for if you crash on your motorcycle, fingers crossed that that's not something that's going to happen to me, but for 2 years instead of the 1 year warranty, if anything happens to this device, speakers, device itself, anything like that, I can go in and get a new Sena 10R. So let's just get to this, what you've all been waiting for, which is the unboxing part of it. It comes with a plastic wrap around the outside. I already took that off so that we could go straight to the unboxing. And inside the outside cover is another box. Okay, let's get right to it. So we open up the box. We'll keep it open this way. I know it's harder for me to look at it this way, but we've got instruction manual. We'll definitely get into that when we do installation. It comes with very low profile. You'll see here, very low profile that goes on the outside of your helmet. Got the wiring, which is flat. And you've got the microphone here that's going to go on the inside of your helmet, as well as this is the low profile mic. So as opposed to the boom mic here, I think that you can stick in, I believe this is the optional low profile microphone that you can put inside your helmet as opposed to the boom mic. Okay, so let's get more into the guts of this box. Here's a lot more stuff. So we've got the speakers here for your ear holes. I didn't mean it that way. For the ear holes in your helmet, not the ear holes in your head. The speakers, which, if I read the reviews right, these are the same speakers that go inside the 20S. So upgraded speakers from the 10R, SMH 10R to the regular 10R. We've got, oh, this is probably a charging mount, it looks like. I should probably know more about this, but hey, this is the first time I'm seeing all this stuff, and I'm very new to this. This looks like a car charger with your, whatever, the cigarette lighter charging. All this plastic is just falling off, it's fine. This is a USB charger for the device. And then here's all the good stuff. It's the, looks like the mounts for your speakers. We can open this bag up, why not? It's an unboxing. We're gonna find out what's all in here. So yes, this looks like either the mounts or the outside padding for the speakers. We've got these little wind guards for the boom microphone, which is right here. Sorry, I made a mess out of this. This is not organized at all. And we've got some adhesive pads. It looks like you can either do adhesive or Velcro to your helmet. And some more, oh, this looks like a clip, maybe to hold down wiring. And some more padding. Actually, this looks like there's Velcro in here for mounting these inside the ear holes in your helmet. Okay, but that is it. I'm going to try and keep everything fairly organized here. That is the unboxing. I know, super exciting. I wish that I had more accurate information for you here. Let's open this up and maybe I can figure out what this is. So this is the battery that goes on the back of your helmet for the actual... because this is so low profile, there's no battery in here. This is the battery for your Sena. It says that it gets up to 10 hours of talk. And I've heard that you could, if you're only using it for like commuting and you commute like half an hour to an hour, so an hour round trip every day, that you could go all week, even in rest mode or whatever you want to call it. And you can not only charge it once a week. That's pretty awesome. That is the Sena 10R Bluetooth system for your helmet. But wait, there's more. Because not only do we have the Sena 10R unboxing, I know we've got all the guts here, and try and keep this nice. Boom! We also got El Grande. So El Grande is something that I've wanted to get for my GoPro pretty much since I've got it. What El Grande is an extendable pole that you can mount your GoPro on. What I want specifically for this, other than the GoPro, is for my 360 camera. What I want to do is put this in my backpack, so when I do my 360 video, instead of mounting it on the motorcycle, we're going to mount this on my backpack. Hopefully it'll stick out far enough, and we will get 360 video from myself, because I believe that will reduce shake considerably. Okay, so I've got the box open. This is El Grande. And I think this is going to be pretty basic. Usually with GoPro stuff, there's not a whole lot of extras. It's pretty much what you see is what you get, and that's exactly right. No extras, just the plastic from the box. And I don't even know if you'll get all of this in the video, but there's the GoPro mount on the end. This thumb screw like they always have here on GoPro stuff. And then, how do we extend this? Oh, a little twist. And this isn't even going to get all in the video, because I know, because... and then, how do we lock this so that it doesn't go back down? Oh, just a twist to the right. And then a twist to the left, and we are... Oh, I feel like I'm going to break this. Hopefully, it's GoPro. It feels very sturdy. I think for the most part, when it sticks out of my backpack, we will probably only use one of these clicks open, and that should be enough to get that, there, we'll get the GoPro so you can read it. That should be enough sticking out of my backpack to get my 360 video. So there you have it. We've got El Grande and the Sena. We'll just get what you're looking for, which is this. The Sena 10R. These are two things that we just purchased today to help make videos on the channel. And also, when we go on rides, we can listen to music, we can answer phone calls, and we can talk to other riders on group rides. That's what I'm really excited about. That's all I've got for you today. If you like this video and this mess that we've made here, go ahead and hit the thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you're so inclined, hit the subscribe button, which I'll pop up on the screen somewhere, and also throw up on the screen right now some links so you can go straight to one of my other videos. Guys, if you're out there riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. This is That One Guy, and I am out.